Hey beauties, it's Riri. Welcome back to another day of Vlogmas, aka Derismas. This is my monthly marathon for the month of December, and today is the Catrice Twinkling Treasures Advent Calendar for 2025. First things first, the packaging is adorable, and I like this concept. I like that it's not just like a paper or cardboard box that I'm gonna have to recycle or anything. It's something that I can actually use, and it feels great quality. It is a beautiful kind of blushy pink shade, which if you know, you know. Pink and yellow are my favorite color, so I'm not mad at it. It does kind of tell us on the back what's on there, so I'm gonna try to avoid that. Let me go ahead and take this off. I will pop all the deets, pricing, and everything, and then the retail value up here as well. All right, so there is the bag. It does have the zipper pull, and we're gonna go in. I don't know if everything's just in here or if there's boxes. I'm kind of hoping they're individually, but at the same time, I also don't really need the waist, so we'll see. That is hella cute. That is adorable. You know what I would do with this? Like if I decide not to keep this, we could keep all of these, and then obviously Valentine's Day and stuff's kind of right around the corner from, you know, holiday season. How beautiful and amazing would that be for like a mother-in-law type thing, or your sister, or somebody like a Galentine type vibe or something like that? I would absolutely you could absolutely reuse these and gift this whole thing for somebody. That is cute, y'all. That's cute. I don't think I've ever seen anything like that. So obviously I don't think there's like days. I guess we would just kind of go in and pick something. So I'm gonna go in at random. I do really like Catrice. They are a very affordable. Oh, they do have numbers. That's so cute. Okay, let me attempt to find number one. That would be the thing, because you're gonna have to kind of dig through all of them. That's fine though. That's the fun of it. I do overall like Catrice as a brand. They are quite affordable. They have really good products. I think they're pretty underrated in my opinion. Okay, I did find number one. I love this, you guys. I love the packaging of this. And of course we could slide, you know, the actual number one off of here. And this, I think everything in here is a full size. I'm not 100% sure. This is the Baked Apple Pink Blush. I love the component of this. And I love the color. Oh my gosh, that is stunning. I will be keeping this. And anything that I know that I will not use or anything like that, it does end up in my resale group over on Facebook. And then I also do tons of giveaways, specifically through holiday season. This though, I'm gonna be selfish and I'm keeping it for me. I love a glowy blush. I love a glowy highlight. I love a glowy blush, glowy bronzer, all the things. This is stunning, absolutely stunning. And I love this. I love the packaging, you guys. All right, number two is right here. I am gonna try to reuse this. I'm gonna either put these, you know, when I do giveaways or something like that, I can add the little bags, or when somebody buys something, but I would like to also like do what I'm talking about and do it as like a gift. That'd be so cool. This is the lip gloss stick in Marry Me. That is beautiful. I like the packaging. I like the color of this. This I probably will not keep. I'm trying to remember the one I've been using. I recently got one, I think by Tower 28, back a little while back in my Laura Beauty box. And just because I already have that one, I don't think I need this one, but I'm loving this so far, you guys. All right, number three. I probably lose track of numbers too, so y'all don't yell at me in the comments, okay? I'm doing my best. Number three. I love this concept. I love it. This is the Catrice Highlighter Glow Stick in Glow Ho Ho. That's cute as hell, y'all. And that is what it looks like. That looks a little kind of more light and more like kind of peachy-ish than I generally will go for like my highlighters and stuff. So not something I would probably use, but I still like it nonetheless. All right, that was three. I'm trying to keep up, y'all. Number four. I think they are kind of like 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then they kind of go backwards working in the little makeup bag, so it's not super difficult to find them, just noting it for y'all. But the ease of use and stuff, I talk about that with advent calendars all the time. My hair is getting on my damn nerves, so if it's getting on my nerves, I know it's getting on y'all's. I'm sorry. Let me go ahead and pin it up real quick. All right, next up. Oh, that is beautiful. We have a mono eyeshadow in Starlight Sparkle. Ooh. That's beautiful. I might keep that too. It almost looks like it's a duochrome. I am going to swatch it because I think I'm going to keep it. Wow. That is beautiful. Very smooth and very sparkly. Ooh, I like that too. Okay, y'all, look, I'm liking this so far. Next up, number 5. Yeah, everything's kind of in the front, 1 through 5, and then it's kind of going backwards. What in the hell are you? I hope you guys are having an amazing holiday season. I want to know, what is your favorite holiday movie of all time? I don't know that I have just one, although Miracle on 34th Street, the original, not the remake, okay? The original from 8,000 years ago, one of my all-time favorite movies in general, not just at holiday time. I love that movie so much. This is just a charm ring. I don't personally, and I mention this in most advent calendars that have these things, I know it's kind of limited to the calendar. It's something cute. It's something unique. I do not like these. If I'm buying a makeup beauty advent calendar, I want makeup and beauty products. And maybe that's just a me thing. I'd like to know your opinion on that as well. It's cute. It actually feels pretty heavy and pretty well made as well, but they're not my cup of tea, you guys. Okay, they're just not. All right, number 6. I assume it'll be right up front. Yes. Okay. Ooh, pretty. This is giving some Lancome vibes for sure. This is the Glam and Doll Volume Mini Mascara. I love mascara. Definitely giving Lancome vibes. I have way too many open right now, but I will not be testing this, but it's going in the pile I'm keeping. I can't help it, y'all. Look, I am a mascara hoe. All right, I love mascara. What is your favorite makeup products? I'm curious. Okay, number 7, 6, yes, 7. Okay, they're semi in order. I'm seeing 11 and 10 and 9. Okay, number 7. Sorry, y'all. Look, I should wear my glasses for these videos because I need them. This is cute. I'm not mad at it. Oh, see, I thought it was just an ornament. This is actually a lip mask in Star Glaze. That's actually cute as hell. Now this, I don't mind. I can pop it on the tree, or I can put it on a cute little band, a ribbon, or something like that and send it to somebody. I don't know if it pops open, screws open, lifts open. Oh, it lifts open, okay. Well, that smells great. Also probably not something I'm going to keep, but I actually do like this. There's even a little mirror in it. This I like. I like that idea. Okay, number 8. Ooh, that's pretty. Also one of my favorite colors. Oh shit, I almost dropped it. Huh. It is a nail polish in the shade Winter Blossom. How beautiful is that? I like that. I didn't even honestly know that they had nail polish, I don't think. I'm probably going to keep that too. I like that. Alright, number, I think 9. Hopefully we're on 9. I'm not even going to take it out because I would probably pass this along as well. This is a powder puff. Okay, number 10. Looks like some form of a liner. This is so much easier to get into than all the other ones have been, you guys. This is the lip liner in Snowy Rose. It is a beautiful nude. I like that a lot. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna put this in my maybe pile. Do I need another lip liner? I do not, but is it pretty? It sure is. All right, number 11. Okay, we have, what are you? The Juicy Lip Balm in Champagne Fizz Plumping Lipstick. I love the packaging. That is quite light. It's almost kind of got a peachiness to it. Hopefully you guys are seeing that. I don't know that I'll keep that, but it's really nice to have in here. I think it's a really pretty shade as well. Alrighty, number 12. Where are you? Ooh, another nail polish. I like getting nail polish in an advent calendar. I like kind of seasonally changing up my nails and stuff like that. Do you guys paint your nails a lot? Do you like seasonal colors or no? Ooh, that's beautiful. That is called Golden Bell, and it's kind of a white champagne, I would say. You can see it's not white, but it's not like a fiery gold. That is absolutely stunning. Okay, I love that. I'm loving this. I think, honestly, based kind of collectively, we're not even halfway through, well, about halfway through, I think this is my favorite one so far, aside from the Sephora one. Not the Sephora branded one, the other one. But I'm liking this a lot. Was that 12 or 13? I know y'all are probably yelling at me. It had to been 12. Number 13's right here. Yeah, it's fun. It's beautiful. It's easy to get into. Affordable. This is the eye pencil in Golden Eye. Ooh. And I like that it's holiday, but it's not really screaming holiday. So if it is somebody, like somebody has a birthday during this time of the year, you have a new beauty kind of dipping their toes in the realm of like the beauty space and makeup, I think this would be incredible. There's a really good variation here too. I think I'm gonna keep this. You can't go wrong with a gold liner, y'all. I think that was 13. I'm definitely losing track, you guys. If that wasn't, I am really sorry, but I'm gonna go ahead and go to number 14. If you're new here, I'm sorry. Ooh, what are you? That's cute. This is the Peptide Lip Tint in Merry Night Shine. Now this I like. Something that is still practical, but really pretty. Obviously, they're duping, you know, several other brands. And I'll try to push a little bit up for y'all. Ooh, that is pretty. Matter of fact, I'm gonna try this real quick. Ooh, that smells nice. And it feels nice and not grainy. I've definitely tried a few brands that like you could feel the granules and stuff in them. That is not the business. Okay. Number 15, we have another sort of liner. Okay, this is the lip liner in Winter Berry. So I like that we're getting some variation. We have one that's a little bit lighter, one that's a little bit deeper. I like that a lot. All right, that was 15. Number 16, I think it's another one of them blushes. I'm excited to try those blushes, for real. Like, that is stunning. Okay. Ooh, yes. This is, oh, it's a highlighter in Holly Jolly Shine. And it is kind of the same packaging and stuff like that. Please be more golden. Yes, that is beautiful. Definitely giving Rare Beauty doopity doop vibes. Ooh, very pretty though. I'm excited. I'll probably keep that too. Number 17. Or was that 17? That wasn't so. Okay, 17. I'm not going to open this either. It is a beautiful mini kabuki style brush. I don't mind having that. I don't mind getting some tools, especially since we got these. That would be beautiful to apply these with, so definitely not mad at it, but I don't need it. Number 18, it looks to be another liner. Okay, this is the eye pencil in Ruby Noel. I don't think I've really seen, other than like super colorful liners. That's a duochrome, I believe. I've not really seen very many like berry shades. That is really stunning. It has a little bit of a sheeny quality to it. Okay, I like that too. I think I might keep that too, y'all. All right, number, I think 20? Question mark? I think so. Yes. Number 20. We have some form of a blush stick or something. Okay, this is the blush stick in Candy Cane. And it's a very soft, kind of muted, I would say kind of mauve-y, rosy leaning. That's really stunning as well. Ooh, okay. Number 21. Y'all should see the big pile because these have gotten poofier and poofier right beside me. Oh my goodness. This is the liquid eyeshadow in Golden Treasures. I like that. I like that we got like this, and then we got like the champagne-y, like the nail polish. We got the gold liner. I'm liking this a lot, you guys. Okay, I'll definitely show it to y'all. I don't know if I'm going to keep this, so I will not swatch it. That is beautiful though. Yeah, it doesn't scream holiday, but there's enough in here to create beautiful, cohesive holiday looks, if that makes any sense. Okay, I'm excited, you guys. Number 22. This is the Juicy Lip Balm in Burgundy Bliss. Again, I like that we've gotten like a lighter version of everything and a deeper version of everything. That is absolutely beautiful too. Okay. Number 23, another nail polish. Oh, that is stunning. Oh my gosh. It's called Holly Night. It is a beautiful red with a ton of sparkle. That is absolutely beautiful. All right, y'all. And then the very last day in our calendar, day number 24. We have the Jelly Eyeshadow Topper in the shade Twinkling Crystal. Okay, it's still sealed and I don't know that I'm going to use this. So let me try to get it up super close for you guys. It does look like it's going to be incredibly beautiful though. Y'all, I gotta do it. I gotta say it. Even with like one or two little things that are not my favorite, I think this is a 5 out of 5. I think especially if you are somebody that you already know and love Catrice, maybe you've never tried Catrice. Again, you're trying to build a makeup collection. You have a new beauty who's kind of dipping their toes in the beauty realm. Fantastic, you guys, fantastic. I like the packaging. I like that I can reuse all of these. I can put, you know, put gifts in them, put them in my resale group, whatever the case may be when I'm sending a package out. And I like that this is not a throwaway cardboard box or something that I know I'm gonna have to recycle. This is massive too. Like you could fit everything in here, and then throw in your foundation and a couple brushes. You literally would be good to go. I love this advent calendar. I'm ecstatic. I'm so happy, you guys, about these. I'm excited to try those. I'd love to know what your favorite Catrice products are. Have you never tried the brand? I'd like to know. Comment down below. Let's have that conversation. Thank you guys so much for joining. If you did enjoy this video, please consider subscribing and give the video a thumbs up. You can also hype the video. You can turn on notifications so you never miss one of my uploads. And I'm uploading a lot this month, so you're probably gonna get tired of seeing my pretty little face, you guys. But I love what I do, and thank you guys so much for being here. You can also click the join button down below to become a channel member for some exclusive perks. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.